Hi, it's Tom from Create Greater Lives, continuing my mission to empower you to properly leverage the law of attraction and manifestation to create large changes in your life, the lives of the people around you, your community, and if you get really good at it, to help us change the world. It's a very exciting time. Today, I'd like to clarify some terms we use, some terminology. We get asked a lot of questions about it, so we're providing answers. So what we'd like to talk about today is the difference between manifestation, attraction, and vibrational alignment, because some people use those terms interchangeably and think they're the same thing, but they're not. They're three distinct things. Okay, now please keep in mind that in our School of Law of Attraction, when we're teaching people how to make large changes in their lives, their community, and the world. Okay, not the little things. And some people, most people, are happy with the little things, right? If you just want to attract the numbers and the butterflies and a few $1,000s, then there's tons of law of attraction information out there for you. Fill your boots, right? It's a really good way of life, so we support that. However, if you're one of the few people who wants to create, you need access to more advanced principles and techniques. Okay, it's like math. Okay, grade school math is a wonderful thing. I use it every day. Calculating things, right? Very useful, very helpful, very good for my life. No problem with it. However, if I want to put a person on the moon, it's not going to cut it. I'm going to need access to more advanced math to put a person successfully on the moon. And it's the same with the law of attraction. If you just want some little stuff, then the law of attraction information that is out there is fine. But if you want to do something bigger, better, more advanced, you need access to more advanced information, and that's what we bring you here. There's very few places in the public domain that you can find the information that we're bringing to you, okay? So if you're one of those few people, you need this information. So with that in mind, manifestation, attraction, vibrational alignment. We'll try and do this pretty quickly. So manifestation is a deliberate act of creation. It's choosing the change you want to make in the world and then focusing your mental and emotional energy on it properly to make it happen in an act of creation. So that entire process is called manifesting. And the end result of that is called a manifestation. Okay? Now, within that whole umbrella, that process of manifesting, there are three pillars. You could call them steps, you could call them stages, but they don't happen sequentially like 1, 2, 3. They're all happening continually at the same time, right? So we call them pillars. The three pillars of manifestation are attraction, vibrational alignment, and creation. Today, we're going to talk about the difference between attraction and vibrational alignment, because some people think they mean the same thing. Some people think vibrational alignment causes attraction, and that's not the case. Okay, we have distinct techniques that cause attraction. We have different techniques that cause vibrational alignment, and we have different techniques that cause creation. Okay, so there are three distinct things. So attraction, when we're talking about attraction and manifesting, we're not talking about actually drawing physical objects to yourself. Like a frying pan is not going to fly across the room and hit you in the chest. Your new car is not going to drive itself down the road and park itself in your driveway. Okay, what we do attract to ourselves and draw to ourselves are all the resources that we need in order to create our manifestation, in order to perform a deliberate act of creation. And these resources could be varied. It depends on what you want to do. But some examples are, enough energy to fuel your manifestation. Energy is a big one. You have to draw the right energy to yourself, enough to fuel a big manifestation. It could be people. You might need people to help you, support you, be your customers, be your audience, be your mentor, be your teacher, right? You might need new ideas, new information, new inspiration, the solutions to problems. You know how they just sometimes pop into your head, right? You might need financial resources. You may need to learn a new skill. You may need to get a new idea. All these resources, these are things you need in order to perform your act of creation. So that's what we attract to ourselves, all the resources we need, right? Depends what you want to do. There's a whole bunch of different possibilities, probabilities, coincidences, right? Those all roll into it as well. So that's attraction. Vibrational alignment is different. Vibrational alignment, once you attract and draw all these resources to yourself, you need to be vibrationally aligned to those resources so you're even aware of them and so that you can use them. right? So vibrational alignment, easy way to explain that is two people can be in the same party, in the same room, in the same party, but they have different vibrational alignments. And because of that, they'll come out of the party with two totally different experiences, even though they were sitting in the same room. So if the one person is feeling depressed, run down, tired, sad, then what's most likely to enter their awareness are all the more negative things. And so they're going to leave the party with the impression that it was boring, the people were rude, the food was bad, and it was not a good party. Now, the other person sitting in the same room is on a different vibrational alignment. They are feeling good, positive, enthusiastic, cheery, energetic. And what's most likely to get into their awareness are all the positive things from the party. So they're going to leave that same party, that same room, with the impression that it was a great party, wonderful people, charming conversation, great music, great food. Right? So two different people, two different vibrational alignments, same experience, different things enter their awareness because of that filter of vibrational alignment. And it's the same thing when you draw all these resources to yourself. If you're not vibrationally aligned to it, you're not even going to be aware of it. You walk right past that person who was the one person that could have helped you. You'll think about making that call you should make, but you won't do it. There could be an opportunity staring you in the face and you won't even see it. You'll just keep on going about your life thinking about something else and say, oh, there's no opportunities around here, right? Because you're not vibrationally aligned with it, can't enter your awareness, therefore you can't leverage it. If you are vibrationally aligned with it, then you are aware of it. Most likely it'll leap out at you, like hit you in the head, and then you can leverage it to perform your act of creation, create your manifestation, okay? So those are three different things. Manifestation, whole process. Attraction, the drawing to yourself of resources. Vibrational alignment with those resources so you're aware of them and can leverage them. So three different things. Hope this brings clarity to a lot of you. If you still have questions, let me know. We can do another video, or we can work on it one-on-one, or we'll have a little group session or something. But I think that should clear it up for everybody. Okay, so again, if you're one of the few people that does want to make larger changes in your life and the world, then you need our information. You're on our Facebook page right now, so you're on the right spot. There's a video section here with I don't know how many hours of video on it now. Watch the videos. It's information you will not find anywhere else. It will change your life, okay? Watch it, absorb it, and come back to us with questions. We'll answer them. We want you to learn this stuff really, really well, okay? We're also online at creategreaterlives.com. There's even more free information for you there. So go there, download the free reports, read them, come back to us with questions. It's life-changing information you will not find anywhere else. And while you're on this Facebook page, like our page, follow our page, because you want to know, I have a new video out every single day. So you want to know when I'm live, and if you don't make the live session, you at least want to know when the video is posted so you can get the most recent information we put out, okay? Glad you were here. My name's Tom. I'll be back tomorrow with more information for you. Until then, remain at choice.